How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to the episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over an overview of our Striker and MultiColor Virtue Deck and Dash lights and traffic advisors. So up front here, I have our MultiColor Virtue 1 in a green clear color setup, and you'll notice that is flashing between its primary and secondary colors since it's a multicolor Virtue there. And then here I have our Striker 2 in an amber color model. And then here is our MultiColor Virtue 4 in a red-blue color setup. And again, same thing there. You'll notice your unit is flashing back and forth between your primary and secondary colors. And then on our Deck and Dash lights, you do have dual memory. So for example, on my Striker 2 here, I can flip to my other power mode, and you'll see that I have another warning flash pattern programmed. So you have two warning flash pattern memories there that you can easily activate on your SIG plug that you'll see as an option on the product pages. And then moving back here, I brought our Striker 6 in an amber color model, and you'll see I'm in mode 1 of my warning pattern there. And then you also have your center out, left right, and right left traffic advisor that you can activate as well. And then you have multiple warning flash patterns, and then you also have a few different traffic advising flash patterns that you can activate. While you're in your traffic advisor, you can hit your pattern button, and you'll see that you have a few patterns there in your traffic advisor and in your warning flash patterns. Now moving back here, I have my MultiColor Virtue 8 in a red, blue, amber color setup, and I am using my optional direct control. Now on our new control boxes, you will have your night mode, which you can activate via hardwire with your white cable when that cable has power. Or if you're not using your white cable, you can activate your night mode via button there. And then on your MultiColor Virtue 8, I have my power button, and then you'll see that I have mode 1 activated in a warning flash pattern. And then in mode 2, I have a secondary flash pattern program, so I can easily swap between my warning pattern 1 or warning pattern 2. And then you'll also have your center out, left right, and right left traffic advisor as well. And on our multicolor units, you can run your units in your primary, secondary, or multicolor flash patterns. So for example, here I'm in a red, blue, amber color sweep on my traffic advisor, but while I'm in my traffic advisor, if I hit my pattern button, you'll see that I can activate my primary, and I'll have 3 primary color flash patterns. So you'll have 3 patterns in red, blue, so pattern 1, pattern 2, and pattern 3. And then past those, you'll have your amber color flash patterns. And then past your amber color flash patterns, you'll be back into your multicolor flash patterns. So you'll see between our Striker TIR and our MultiColor Virtue Deck Dash lights and traffic advisors, we do have these units available in 1, 2, 4, 6, and 8 head models for any application. And we do have these available in any color combination in amber, red, blue, green, and clear. And if you do need a custom color setup, you can use our customization tool on the product pages. So make sure to check out the product pages and watch the full product demos, and also use our interactive players to fully demo your units before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.